myself on my phone here. We'll get started with today's live video for day 4 of Chalkmas. Still one on my words, I love it. That way, hopefully, I can keep track of comments. Hello, Lene. Hello, Sylvia. So for today's live, we are to do something that a child could do, or something childlike, or something Christmas related. Well, I have childlike, so we are going to do a real quick, easy transfer, and it fits on the board and base. It's a board and base from Chalk Couture. So when it's done, it will stand up like this and be a cute little gift for a child, or anything you'd like to do like that. So how's everybody doing today? Yeah, see, my phone doesn't do that very well anymore. I used to see comments very easily all the time. It's me, operator error. Okay,
I don't think so.
I think it's just they've changed it.
I'm having big time issues with that.
So I think they've changed the Facebook algorithm somehow to make it more difficult to watch your own lives, which doesn't make any sense at all. Okay, so we're doing the dinosaur roar, and we're gonna do 2 different colors. I put one color up here and then the other color on the dinosaur. And I have not stirred my paste on purpose so that you can see the process. And these are both I haven't used for a while, so you can see up close. It's kind of all different colors in there. You can see the darker pigment of blue. So we're just gonna stir it up. Yeah, it stirs up really well. So that one's basically ready. Didn't even have to add water. Now this is one of my favorite colors. Lime or parakeet or whatever the color of the moment is. The name of the moment for the same color, basically. This one's a little crunchier. So we're gonna spritz it with some water. And you can see how it's a lot thicker than the other one. Stir it up. Huh. Still can't find one. Oh, there we go. It just says they're watching. Maybe they just haven't commented. Okay, that's fine. Hopefully you can hear me. We are in New Mexico. You don't know where you're at? That's funny. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the roar first, and then I'm gonna pull it back and let it dry for a second. It's so easy. I've taught 4-year-olds, I've taught people with Parkinson's, so really anybody can do this craft. And it makes it easy to learn and fun to do. Little tagline. Okay, we're gonna pull it up just to the roar. And what I love about it is when you go outside the lines, you can just wipe it up off the surface, especially a Chalk Couture surface. Other surfaces will require a little more preparation to make it erasable, but Chalk Couture makes it very easy. Move on to the line, and this will be a very fast video because this is a project, very small project. No decoration involved. Thank you. Smooth it on. Let's squeegee the excess off. That simple. So now we're just going to pull the rest of the transfer off. There we go. And I'm just going to touch up that one little space where I went off the transfer, and we're done. All that has to happen right now is it has to dry. So there we go. There's our little project for today. Let's see if I can get it up there. Oh, why is it upside down? There you go. Isn't that cool? I think it's cool. Alright, you guys have a good day, and come back tomorrow. I'll be doing another live for day 5. Talk to you soon. Hey everybody, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.